forgot to vlog when I first woke up because I'm gonna be doing like a little weekend vlog. You know, I'm back at my hometown, so I just thought like, hey, oh Lord, can you freaking quit it? Like, gosh, have you not learned your lesson? Right now I'm actually going to hot yoga, so pray for me because I'm thinking I'm gonna get like a shake after or like a juicer, but I have a free gift card, so might as well get a shake and tea. Yeah, I don't know, I have to get ready today, so I have some stuff going on, but I just thought I would like drag you guys along because like, hello, it's been like a while since I've done like a vlog, I feel, and I freaking love them. Probably see you guys after. I'll try to get little snippets maybe and stuff, you know, try be a vlogger. Oh Goddy, oh my God. Oh, and I missed my turn. Yep, missed it. Tell you what, just got here. Freaking pissed. Oh my gosh. So, you know how I was trying to go to hot yoga, do all this stuff. Well, first one I went to, I guess it wasn't hot yoga, it was regular yoga. I'm like, I am sorry, I'm not paying for this, for regular yoga. I came to sweat. I mean, I guess you can sweat in like regular, but whatever. I didn't want to do that, so I said, I'm so sorry, like I cannot do this. And then I tried to book another one. I accidentally booked it in freaking Fargo. I was never in Fargo, like what's going on? I'm so confused. So, and then I got pissed and I said, you know what, I'm not doing this. So I got a shake in my tea instead because I said, I am not going chasing around trying to, obviously just wasn't in the works for me. Could have woken up a little bit earlier and worked out and got that done with. So annoying. So now I'm on my way home. I might just like go for a walk outside or something just because like I cannot, and I forgot my headphones. Oh yeah, that's another thing. I don't have my headphones, so it's not like I can go to the freaking gym real quick because there's no way in hell I am going to a gym without headphones. It's just not happening. It's just not in my category. It's just not in my plan at all, and I would never do that. Shout out to people who can do that. I can't do that. I'm sorry, y'all gotta go because I got a jam and I can't be sitting in here silent Sally. So, yep. Bye. Mermaids, I have been literally the worst vlogger in my entire life. I've been so bad and I'm so sorry for that. I think I left off. I don't even like, did I leave off? Gosh, I hate how you guys are so low, but I don't know where to put you. But I'm doing like my skincare stuff right now and I want you guys to see, but you guys are on my phone, so I don't know how to like, oh, I have to go way down there. It is Tuesday morning. Is it the 10th? Oh, I remember where I left off. I left off getting a shake. So that was kind of my last thing, but what did I do? Oh yeah. So I got ready for one of my best friends' bridal shower. So I went to that and then we went out that night in Grand Forks downtown. It was so fun and like seeing people that I haven't seen forever. So that was super fun. Sunday, I literally didn't do anything. Oh yeah, I had a baby shower Sunday. My cousin's baby shower. And then after that I did nothing because I was like tired and like, you know, went out that night before. I don't even think I got like any really pictures or anything or videos. I didn't get like anything, but I'll try to see what I have from that night. And then Monday came around. What did I do yesterday? Oh yeah, I didn't really do anything. I just worked out, went to get a shake with Courtney, but now we're gonna go get some lunch because it's almost 11 something. So we're gonna get some lunch and then I'm gonna like vlog that and vlog her. Sorry, she doesn't know that yet, but that's what we're gonna do. I wanna go to Target and like the mall and stuff because I haven't been there or done any of that. So I haven't really done much. So it's not like you guys haven't missed out on much, but yeah, let's go and eat. Well, first I'm gonna get ready. Should I get ready a little bit? Oh, how come the buns look the best when you literally don't try to put them up? Like messy buns come out the best when you don't try at all, and it's just so. Okay, merms, sorry of that interruption, but that was Court. We just calling each other. This is like, I don't. Oh, it looks better in person. In here, it doesn't look good. I feel like my hair. I know, I always put it up and I'm kind of sick of it, but I'm gonna put on like just a tish of little makeup. Do you guys want to see that with me? Okay, while you're on my phone, I just set you on my makeup bag. So I'm gonna put on just a Tish mascara. Sometimes I do this little stuff, you know, because it just feels good to do it. Oh, my eyelashes are weird, I feel. I'm using the Fenty mascara. Oh, so then I got all over my eyelids. See, sometimes I'm just gonna do a little eyebrow combage with Benefit. I think this is 3. Yep, Benefit 3 Precisely my brow, so it's like the skinnier one. Oops. I like use a whole bunch of different stuff, so let's do some highlight medium, or will this be a little too dark? So I'm doing Tarte Shape Tape just a little bit where I want to cover up. This might be a little too dark, but my lips are so chapped right now, I feel. Probably because I need to drink water. I'm like so bad at drinking water. Oh, I got a pimple right down there. Oh, you could pop one. There. Sorry, just being honest, because most of these are fake. Okay. And then, just because I don't really want to open up my Miss Laura, I'm just going to go into my all-nighter setting waterproof spray. So I'm just going to set what I've done. Boom, boom, boom. Let's clean this up. This is probably old. I might want to just do a little more mascara. This is just like a little baby that I did, but I don't really care. Just kind of want to do a little bit more. I hate when freaking people talking baby voices. It literally grosses me out, and I just did that. Okay. Do you guys want to see my room when I stay at home? Just a second. I have to like, I'm on my phone right now, so I have to flip it around. Okay, so this is where I stay, like, when I'm home. This used to be my little sister's room, but I don't live here anymore, so yeah, I just stay up here. Upstairs, okay, I can't really see myself, so I hope I'm doing this right. Let me go in the mirror to see. Oh yeah. So I like had my room downstairs, but I've been out of the house for like a few years now. So CJ has that room down there, and then I just have this room up here. And yeah, it's whatever. I don't really mind it. I'm here like barely ever, like 2 times, like ever. So I don't really care. I want to see my little makeup. I had to bring this, okay? I brought like more palettes than I should, but I really wanted to, you guys, I use this one like all the freaking time. And this, I just wanted to do it to try it again because like I'm obsessed. This is my stuff. How you doing? Of course, got this, you know, I have like samples and stuff from like forever. Look at Miss Laura. Still have it in there. Lashes. I don't know what I'm feeling. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. Hey. Just getting a little. Had that in so long. Hello. At my favorite place ever, Target. Just doing some light shopping. Everyone is like, so I have a few stuff in here. I got some mascara. I really want to try this one. And then these are Sonia Cachet. They're $5, so I really want to try these. So I'm gonna get them, and they're cute. They're like a light nude pink. Cute. $5. Morphe. Watch out. Just wearing this. It's literally how Choose Yoga's champion. But yeah, this is also like my favorite Target ever. I've been to a lot of Targets, and this is my favorite one. The Grand Forks has the best Target. Oh, sorry. Can you give her? Let's go see what's good. Hello, mermaids. I am back home. Came back to Bemidji this morning. So it is Wednesday, March 11th, 10:10 in the morning. So I left early this morning from my hometown. Sorry, that's why I just look a hot mess, but I have to work at 11, so that's why I'm just like here getting ready. But I haven't even like went in my room because I don't really want to like go in there right now. I don't know, I'm just like not feeling the vibes. I'm trying this Tatcha liquid silk canvas primer. It's good for oily skin, so I'll let you know how this is. It's like one of their new products. I think from what I can tell, I actually like it. I used it once. I used it when I went out Saturday night. So, and I think my face still looked like pretty decent. I don't know. So I haven't done anything. Yeah, so I just went like shopping a little bit. Later that day, I went out for sushi with my dad and my sister. So that was cool. And then I got a little clip of that. And then I actually went to hot yoga a little bit after that. And I was just editing and doing some other little stuff on my computer. So, and then, oh yeah, I got my nails done as well. Went to my place, Tina's, and I am having my Starbucks. I got Starbucks straight now because I just feel so dead. Like, and I have to be in the work mode, and I hate getting in the work mode when you've been off for like a few days. I look really awful right now. I have a new drink. I also got a spinach feta wrap, which I've never gotten before, but I really wanted breakfast, which was weird. Ew. Because I don't really eat breakfast, so very, very surprised at that because I kind of wanted it, which was weird. But yeah, I had a little vloggy at home. I've been trying to get back into it. It was kind of, I didn't really like do much. Like I did stuff, but I didn't do like anything crazy or whatever, so I don't really care to be honest. But do you guys want to hear my new drink? So I get all these like kind of fancy drinks. Me and Tyro went to Starbucks Wednesday or Thursday. We were talking to the workers at Starbucks, and she said, yeah, this is like my favorite drink. And I was like, ooh, can you like write it down so we can try it next time? Or actually she gave us like a sample stuff of it, and it was so good. And I never get grandes. I forgot how like cute they are. I used to get them like all the time. I'm trying to save this for work, but like I don't know if I can. So it is a double shot on ice, 2 pumps of chai, 2 pumps of white mocha, and then sweet cream and no milk. So I hate a lot of milk when I drink coffee because it's just a lot and it's so heavy. I kind of wanted to end this little vlog here. And I wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Come back for more. Hopefully after this, I'll get my one college one up. It's just my files are missing, so I have to go through and like do all this stuff, which is so annoying. So I don't know really what's going on with that. That's kind of why it's taking a while also, because it's just like a lot on my computer and on my trying to figure it out. It's just like, and then editing and then doing all that. It's just like a lot. Disk is full. Sorry, I'm like using my computer as my like, comment, subscribe, hit the noti bell because you know I will be back for more videos. It's okay, this vlog sucked. Like, I'm really sorry. Like, it was actually awful. Like, okay, I will talk to you mermaids later. Bye.